I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, and pull the wheel off. Now I'll take this axle nut off, use a 34mm socket. Now I'm going to take this caliper off. I'm not replacing the brake, so I'm going to take the caliper and bracket off together. Take a 21mm socket, a breaker bar, and take these two bolts out. Take those out. I'm just going to take a screwdriver and just pry the piston in a little bit. That's good. You can slide this off. And just use a brake caliper hanger and just hang it on the strut assembly on the coil spring. Now I want to take this rotor off. There's a screw right here. Use a T30 socket. Take that off. Take that off and take the rotor right off. Then take this wheel speed sensor off. Use a 10mm socket. Take that bolt out. And you can use some pliers and try to wiggle this sensor out a little bit. Just be careful, don't break it. There you go. Now on the back side of the knuckle, there's 3 bolts. You're going to take a 13mm socket and take those bolts out. Take that out. Now from the back side of the hub, I'm just going to take a hammer and just tap it. You could try to use a slide hammer, but sometimes it's easier just to use a hammer. There we go. And slide it off. You can take a wire brush, just clean up some of this corrosion around the knuckle. That's why the hub was so difficult to remove. Clean that up. Make sure this spacer is on here on the axle. If it isn't there, just check your other hub. Maybe it got stuck to it. Now I'm going to take a little bit of copper anti-seize and just do a thin coat. This way, if it ever has to be removed again, it won't be so difficult. Do a thin coat. Now take this shield and the new hub and just line it up like this. And take the bolts for the hub, go back in from the back side. Get those started. And then torque those bolts to 89 foot-pounds. And take the wheel speed sensor, line that back up, put the bolt in and snug it down. That's good. And take the rotor, put the rotor on, and take this screw, put that screw back in, and snug it up. All right, now grab the caliper, take the hanger off. Now we can slide it over the rotor. And take the bolts, get the bolts started. Then you can torque those two bolts to 129 foot-pounds. And put the axle nut on. And then I'm going to torque this to 173 foot-pounds. And put the tire on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern or a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Now I'll go around again, just double check.